Hey everybody, it's Bunny, and it's everybody's other favorite day of the week. The day of the week when we once again ask ourselves, does this thing really work? How crazy is it that I basically went 6 months without making one does this thing really work video, and now I have decided to make 2 in 1 week. But that's my personality. I just get obsessed with things. Today, we are trying the DERMASUCTION, available at Walmart, which claims to suck the yuck out of your pores. I hope it's also gonna suck the yuck out of my soul, because I need it. You know what I mean? This is a pore cleaning device with vacuum action. What is it with me and vacuum cleaners this week? This is supposed to remove blackheads and dirt from your pores. No more squeezing. Ugh. Cordless and portable. Suck your zits everywhere, in public, in the middle of the grocery store, in the back of an Uber. You also get 4 head attachments: an oval head, a small head, a sonic head, and a large head. The small one is for gentle suction, perfect for everyday use. That seems hella extreme. A large head with strong suction. That one is specifically for blackheads. Oval head for getting into corners of the nose and mouth. The sonic head helps exfoliate while pulling dirt and oil from skin. That sounds really grotesque. Let's pop this puppy open. I believe that it was the as seen on TV price of $19.99, but don't quote me on that. It has been a busy week, and oh my god, it has been forever since I have seen something like this in the bottom of an as seen on TV box where they try and like sell you their other gimmicky products. Bless. I don't know if this is a gimmick yet. It might be amazing. Should we also order for just $10 the Infinite Love Ring? Ooh, appraised at $85. Or the Diamond Z4 for $20. Why? This one freaking looks like it has less stones in it. Why is that one more expensive than that one? Jeez. Oh my god. This is the DERMASUCTION for thine enemies. I do not understand how this would not shave your flesh away. Do you know, like, if you touch metal and it hasn't been, like, sanded down? That's basically what the exfoliation head is. No, thank you. Small head, that's the one that I'm going to try on myself momentarily. Then we're going to have a special guest try another head, and I bet you can guess who the special guest is going to be. The oval head. So I think that this is pretty easy and self-explanatory. We have to load in 2 AA batteries. Is it gonna be quieter or louder than the Floby? Ooh. There is literally just 3 steps. I did just wash my face, but they recommend that right before you start, you splash your face with warm water or like steam your face, something to just kind of open up your pores and make extraction just a little bit easier. Choose the desired head and what speed. There are 2 speeds and 4 heads. Apply it to your face, slowly move the DERMASUCTION around on your face. Don't keep it in one place for longer than 2 seconds. And then they say for best results, focus on your problem areas. Thank you. I was just like, focus on your problem. All right. We're gonna do my face, and then we're gonna do Dog Man's face, because I am honestly gonna be concerned if I pull a lot of secret stuff out of my nose. I feel like it doesn't really look, well, never mind. That's looking kind of gross. Maybe I should start with the oval head. I just feel like overall, I don't really have a lot of blackheads. I don't know how efficiently it's gonna work on whiteheads. I kind of want to try it literally on this zit right here. Like, can I suck a pimple out of my skin? Because then this is so worth $19.95, $19.99, however much it costs. Small head is gentle suction for every day. So I'm gonna start with that because I do have pretty sensitive skin, and this is pretty easy. You literally just twist on and off. There's like some little rubberized groove type things here. I'm gonna turn it on the lowest setting and just put it on my hand. Oh my god. Like, your skin gets sucked up in there, and when you hear the motor, it doesn't sound very impressive, and so it kind of sounds like it would not have much sucking strength, but your skin really gets sucked, so be forewarned. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh, doesn't feel good, mates. Ow! I'm trying to see if it looks like anything is getting sucked out. Oh, I don't like this. Dogman probably won't mind at all, but I'm just on a whole not enjoying this. I feel a lot better that the red streak up here pretty much instantly went away, but I'm really not seeing it do anything. Ooh! I'm not leaving it anywhere longer than 2 seconds like they say. Maybe my stuff is just like too embedded in my skin. My cone looks completely clean. So far, I'm not that impressed. I also do have like a pretty crazy multi-step skincare program. I do like every other day exfoliation. That's kind of why I'm hoping we'll get better results with Dogman, because he doesn't have as much of a regimented skincare routine. So now I switched to the oval head. I do feel like I am more prone to getting little pimples and breakouts in these crevices of my nose, and this is supposed to be the head for that. Ooh, okay. I do feel like I see a couple whiteheads coming out now though on high. A couple whispers of whiteheads. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that or not. It's like, I feel like when I was doing it, I actually saw a couple baby extractions. My face just feels very red. If it looks like I got attacked by an octopus in tomorrow's Vlogoween video, then you'll already know why. Are you just sighing deeply? Show them your nose. I feel like last week you had like kind of one blackhead on your nose. Actually, maybe you have a couple blackheads. This might be promising. You've got a couple blackheads. Not to like just diss your skin. Okay. What do you want me? Look, my face still, wait, does it still look red? Does my face look red to you? A little bit. You have choices. Except for you can't choose this one. Wait, look, I just want you to feel this. Look, feel how abrasive and rough. Can you imagine putting that on your skin with the force of a tiny vacuum?
Yeah.
You cannot. That is a terrible feeling.
I'm not gonna use this.
No.
Why not?
Do you want the large head for blackheads or the small, gentle head?
Suck the blackheads out.
Okay, suck the blackheads out. He's brave.
What is this one for? Why aren't we using this?
Because that's exfoliation. That's like the no bad one. That's the Sonic head, which exfoliates while pulling dirt and oil from your skin. Wait, look, I could do it on your arm. Are you? Do you want to see how it feels?
Okay.
I don't want to do this to you.
It's not gonna.
Look, I'm gonna do it on myself first.
No, it's not gonna be bad.
I don't want to hurt you.
Go ahead. Look.
Okay. Don't scream. No, I'm scared to do it. Okay. What does that feel like?
Nothing.
No, that has to feel bad. That doesn't feel good. I want instantaneous gratification. Wait, we should have done it before and after. I keep stopping because I just want to see something.
Yeah, I don't feel like anything's happening.
Oh, okay, wait, but yours actually looks like it did extract some oil. I just don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. Like, it was a perfectly clear tube and now there is like some liquid stuff. I'm trying to get, I see a blackhead right there. See, I don't know if like repeatedly going over the area is also not good. At least on your face we do see.
Yeah, it looks like I got a hickey on my nose now.
Oh my god, it does!
Yeah.
Wait, I can't see that well because... Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, was that not good?
Might not have been.
Is that not gonna go away?
It looks like it's getting a little worse.
Oh, why did I do that?
Wow.
I feel bad. Like, I'm laughing but also crying. Yeah, don't let me do it anymore. You just do it and tell me what happened. Wait, don't go over that area anymore. I'm freaked out.
I'm not going over.
Wait, is it gonna go away?
I don't know. Find out when it does or doesn't.
Now I feel like you've done it and made it just as red. Look, I'm like making it okay now because
yeah,
now
sure.
You've done it.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. And it'll go away
Going
someday.
over
I'm
it.
trying to go over the middle.
Wait, I went over my nose in the same area multiple times too, and mine's not that red, and I feel like you don't have sensitive skin at all. Like, this is so bizarre. I thought it was gonna go so much better on you.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Wait, baby, I wouldn't do your nose anymore. Like, that looks like you could guide Santa's sleigh right now, honestly. Wait, why do you keep doing it? You want to be like
I want it to match.
Mermaid Man.
I'm trying to actually get it so it's even.
No! I'm hesitant to do anymore. That hurt?
A little bit.
Honestly, we need to stop. Like, this is not good on your skin. It's like the time we tried out Glam Glow, and because my face gets so many like creams and ointments and stuff on it every single day, whereas like your skin routine is not as like chemically based, maybe?
Not anything. There's no routine for my skin.
I know. It's like men just are like, I just use soap.
Water. Use water too.
I'm over here with like 50 bottles and you're like, I'll just use a bar of Dove and water.
Now it's finally caught up with me.
Not fading though, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be fine.
It's definitely doing some extractions on you. I'm seeing it's supposed to do oils, dirt, whiteheads, blackheads. Like, I don't know if I see the blackheads being extracted though. Can you guys see that? Some oil in there and a little bit of whiteheads. I want to honestly take a clip from their video which shows the amount of stuff.
Yeah, I don't feel like it's done anything.
Just look at everything it extracts.
Got rid of all the dead skin that was around in my nose area, and now it's like flawless.
DERMASUCTIon is the product I've been waiting
my whole life for.
I'm gonna try the oval head. Wait, I use this on my face. Do you care if I straight up put it on your face
Wait,
now?
we're using the same thing? What, are we gonna start sharing straws?
We do share straws. What do you mean?
Duh. Yeah.
Oh, you mean that was the joke? I feel like this is different than a straw. Wait, look, you just found the lobster.
It's a nose ring.
That would be awesome. Honestly.
Actually, yeah, no, like if you had like a little tiny lobster nose ring. Actually, or just even earrings.
Remember when I thought I was gonna pierce
Have
your
you ever
ears?
seen that? I've never seen lobster earrings. Has anybody seen that? Is that
I've never.
out there?
I can't say
Has
I've ever
anybody
looked.
seen lobster earrings?
Can't say I was ever like lobster earring.
I would get a lobster earring.
This is for your nose crevice. I don't feel like it's making contact.
Yeah, that one doesn't hurt as much.
Wait, are you emulating? Does that hurt?
No.
Ooh!
Oh, we got stuff?
We got stuff!
Okay, let's see it. Show.
Okay, alright, we finally got stuff. Look!
That just looks
Outside.
like skin.
Still, we got stuff! Even if now I'm just like sucking your skin off.
Yeah.
Happy Halloween! Is it skin? Is it whiteheads? What do you guys think? I mean, still not a ton. I'm really curious to see what the
You got great stuff in here.
Wait, you're in this room every day
Well, I
also.
don't come to your beauty mirror often.
You just found out there's 2 sets of boxing gloves. Are you gonna have a finger fighting match? I feel like the oval head was most effective. There have been extractions. But at what cost?
My face. I have to get a phantom mask.
Wait, tell them who you said I looked like yesterday when I walked in with these glasses.
I'm trying to remember. Who did you look like
It was
yesterday?
just yesterday you said this.
Oh, you look like Bono.
I don't look like Bono.
Well, at the angle with this
I don't
hat
know if
and
that's-
your robe.
Okay, wait, no. It's fine. It's fine. I'll recreate it.
Yeah.
So everyone can judge at home.
Yes.
Wait, but you're sitting on my little robe. Looking like this. And he said I look like Bono. Do I look like Bono now?
First thing I think of. Well, you had the hat angled down a little more.
That...
Because Bono goes around in a wizard hat.
No, he does not!
Yeah.
No!
Bono's a straight wizard.
How do you feel about this?
I don't like it.
Is it worth
I
$20?
don't-
You don't like it?
Yeah, I don't
I'm about
care
to
for
get
it.
ice for your nose.
Nah, it'll be straight in like a by Halloween. Probably be fine tonight.
I feel bad.
Probably be fine in the morning.
Is this a reuse or return? Wait, does somebody else already have a series like that? Where they're like...
Reuse or return?
Slam or ham? What's another good one? Yam or slam?
You do like potatoes.
What's another yes or no?
Potatoes and pogs. Yam or slam.
Yam or slam? Wait, we need a new slogan. Gotta keep it fresh around here.
I don't feel like it accomplished anything, nor was it enjoyable, so that's a pass.
I also feel like it didn't really do anything, and it was not enjoyable. Your head isn't even in frame. It's like you've just left this video. It's like you're just a torso
No,
now.
I'm gone. I'm an ostrich.
You're just a torso.
No, I'm a sky ostrich.
No, torso.
I hide my head in the sky.
Torso.
I got my head in the clouds.
Torso. Come back for the outro. Okay, ow. My sleeve got stuck.
These, however, are great. How much were they?
I don't know.
They were worth it.
Thank you guys so much for being here and for hanging out with us today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Did you say bye? Never finger boxed before. Wait, do we have a ding ding ding? Ding ding ding.
You hit both together. You go boom, boom.
Wait, why do I keep doing that?
And the match begins. Let's have a good match. Boom, boom.
Wait, maybe I shouldn't put this like directly in front of my nose.
We want a good, clean fight.
Wait, aren't we supposed to dance around each other first? And then nobody actually throws a punch for a while? Is this the most exciting boxing match that's ever been on YouTube?
I don't know how I'm gonna knock this guy out.